What is it that they know about this comedian who passed on in the kingdom of Eswatini? And as I promised also, later in the show, we'll be able to bring you some of those videos or comedy videos which this comedian was able to keep our neighbors in the kingdom of Eswatini entertained. So without any waste of time, I would like to welcome our correspondent, Mandisa Dlamini from the kingdom of Eswatini. Mandisa, welcome to Well Focused and thank you for joining us tonight.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mandisa. Yeah, Mandisa. What do we know about? I beg your pardon on that. I will try to link up with Mandisa again, and oh yeah, she's still on the line. I beg your pardon, I'm sorry about that. And Mandisa, and as I was still saying, what do we know, or what can you tell our listeners about the deceased comedian?
Star Eswatini in the Eswatini's comedy and content creation space. We have lost Mongi Mzebele. Lebesmati kakhulu ukuthi Andizombizo. He has since passed away at RFM Hospital Kamanzini.
Ushiya nini Andizombizo Mandisa if usikhumbula kahle?
Ushone idolo ekseni.
Do we know what's yini? So size sifike la ukuthi asishiye yini lokwendekile?
Imibiko lesiyitholile ukuthi ngedithuka tantsamba amapanga lesihlanu evikini leliphelile Andizombizo bekehla ebhasini lebekahamba ngayo. Wanyatheleka linyawo bathi-ke ngikuhamba kwesikhathi linyawo bese seliyadonsa ngokusa ukuthi bamperformance khona lesibhedlela RFM Kamanzini lapho khona he met his death.
And then masibuka umndeni wakhe nesive sonke sakamswati sithethe njani lokhu kushiya emhlabeni kwalo somahlaya?
It came as a shock. Bekubuhlungu kakhulu ngoba ngumfamusha nje lokungacabanga ukuthi angashona. Mfilipe kahlali ahleka everywhere la bahamba khona. Bavuka bahlala emabhadi. Beka Andizombizo bomkhanza isikhathi lesiningi afaka isitholo abonise nje kwelithawu. That on its own bekungakuhlekisa nje angakasho lutho. So Silvers and Master of this is Limelega Kuru, especially the comedy community. Limelega Kuru, Okeshambani Lebeba, Basabenda Nai, Baba Kumi, Lega Kuru Nai, into a Balashegel. Bengasi umuntu uthi usebenza nebamvula abafamous noma ema-videos akhe nje ngimpilonga wabona nanoma ngangibani bekandana ivideo avusele ahlabele kune video nje lekaba viral ngayo lapho la kunakeka khona kakhulu athi hambe ngikhona Jesu phakamise emehlo athi kwaSimon wathi imake like ukuhlekisa wathi angikashela ukuthi utangiphika licotselile lingangikhalele wathi oh my god yena bekungathi nje umuntu lo kakhulu kade somveni indaba zakhe tiningi lebekahlekisa ngato ngokukhanza kuhlabela athi ngiyabonga moyo ongcwele ngizileke uhamba nami ubekahlekisa kakhulu Andizombizo ngivele nje live lilahlekela kakhulu.
Leli gama la Andizombizo ulithola kuphi?
Leli gama la Andizombizo ngicabanga ukuthi livela la ekutheni yena uyindvodza but-ke bekahambisa kwelithawu ngomvulo ngumake nendlela lebekakhuluma ngayo bekakhulumisa vele kwa-andi lesekamdzala ekhaya lotawuyala bamfana ukuthi yeyi andi uthi
So ngitiphi lesithola from bantu bemndeni wakhe maybe khona i-memorial service lehleliwe noma sesiyathi ke ngemalungiselelo emncwabo wakhe nokuthi oyenteka nini.
Kuphuthume kakhulu awusisive ngicabanga ukuthi in due course i-memorial service will be announced umndeni usaqhuba batawusho etindleleni etixhumana lapho labafanele but-ke ngalokuthi vele intfo leyenteka masiyenteke itolo ngokusesekusha ngicabanga ukuthi singabaniketa lithuba ukuthi bahlangane bangumndeni then in due course manje bese sebayasatisa sive.
So siyathi ukuthi maybe bekhona maybe i-group or i-production lebekabhilonga kuyo labahamba nje bonke bama-comedian maybe bahamba ba-performa regional wide i-Africa or emaveni lamanye angaphandle.
Yes, bakhona boGedlembane bakhiphile nje kune-statement lebasikhiphile namuhla lebe basolo basebenza naye bengasebenzi nemvumunye i-Talent Factory Entertainment nje isikhiphile statement basho nabobuhlungu babo kulesifo lesivelile eveni nawo-ke Maswati amaningi siyabona-ke in-conflict ekuxhumana bayachubeka bayawafaka ema-videos abo la bebahlangana khona naye adisombizo.
No, sibonge kakhulu Mandisa ukuthi usireportele usitshele ukuthi kwendakaleni kahle kahle lapho eSwatini and sithi our deepest condolences to the nation and as well as the family of the deceased comedian, and we're looking forward to getting more details about maybe the memorial as well as the funeral arrangements as soon as they become available. Thank you very much, Mandisa, for joining us here at Well Focus. Thank you. And as I said earlier on, Mandisa managed to send us some of the comedy videos about this renowned comedian, and I will try to play at least one or two of them before we